Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML in Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a fantastic, free editor that offers powerful features to streamline your web development journey. We will start by setting up your environment correctly, ensuring you have the foundational tools in place. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and efficient learning experience, allowing you to focus on mastering HTML concepts with ease. To truly enhance your HTML workflow, installing key extensions is essential. Live Server provides instant browser updates as you code, saving you valuable time. Emmet, which is built-in, lets you write HTML much faster using simple abbreviations. Additionally, Prettier ensures your code is always formatted consistently, making it easier to read and maintain. These tools will significantly boost your productivity. Now, let's dive into writing HTML. Always begin with the fundamental HTML5 document structure to ensure proper rendering. Focus on using semantic HTML tags, which give meaning to your content and improve accessibility. Practice creating various elements like headings, paragraphs, lists, and links. Building these basic components will solidify your understanding of how web pages are structured. As you develop, debugging is a vital skill. Utilize your browser's developer tools to inspect elements and identify any issues within your HTML. Always keep your code organized and consistently indented. This practice greatly enhances readability for both yourself and others. Finally, regularly validate your HTML to catch errors and ensure compliance with web standards, leading to robust and functional web pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.